Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all parents and my dear students. Hope you all are fine and in good condition of Iman. Today we are going to do English task of day 2. We are going to read book page number 52 and we are going to do practice of article an on notebook. So first of all open your reading book, English reading book, page number 54. We are going to read article an. Article and. So let's start unit number 11, article and. There are 5 vowels and you know the names of these vowels: A, E, I, O, U, and we use article and before words beginning with vowels A, E, I, O, U, and with other consonants we use article a. Other than vowels, remaining alphabets are consonants. Do you know how many alphabets are there? Yes, 26. There are 26 English letters. 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. So with vowels A, E, I, O, U, we use article an. If there is a noun or a name of a thing, and if there is a single thing, then we will use article a or an. But if the name of thing is starting with vowel, then we will use an. जब किसी चीज़ का नाम वाउल से स्टार्ट हो रहा होता है तो उससे पहले हम एन लगाते हैं. क्या आर्टिकल यूज़ करते हैं? एन. जब कोई एक चीज़ होती है तो हम आ या एन यूज़ करते हैं. और अगर नाम उस चीज़ का वाउल से स्टार्ट हो रहा हो, बिगनिंग साउंड वाउल हो, देन वी विल यूज़ एन. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट रीडिंग. Look at the first picture. It's an orange. And what is the beginning sound or letter of orange? It's O. O is a vowel. So we will write article an. An orange. What we will write? An orange. Look at the next picture. It's an ink pot. It begins with letter I and I is a vowel. So we will write an ink pot. In next picture, here is an elephant. A single elephant. So we will use article an because elephant begins with letter E. E is a vowel. So we will read an elephant. Now look at the next picture. It's an onion. And onion begins with letter O. O is a vowel. So we will add article an onion. Look at the next picture. It's umbrella. And umbrella begins with sound or letter U. U is a vowel. And we will add article an at the beginning of umbrella. An umbrella. An umbrella. Look at the next picture. It's an ox. Ox begins with letter O. O is a vowel. So we will add article an ox because we are using article an with the words that begin with vowels. So ox begin with vowels, so we will add an. Look at the next picture. It's ostrich. Ostrich begin with O. O is a vowel, so we will add an ostrich. Look at the last picture. Here is an umpire. An umpire begins with U. U is a vowel, so we will add article an umpire. An umpire. So after completing your reading, now you will do your written work on your notebook. So you will prepare your notebooks according to the task. So write an before the words beginning with vowel letters. So we are adding vowels with and with vowels A, E, I, O, U. There are 5 vowels. A, E, I, O, U. We have 5 fingers and we have 5 vowels. We can count on our fingers. So let's start the task. Write an before the words beginning with vowel letter. So look at the first picture. It's apple. Apple begins with a vowel. A is a vowel. So we will write an. What we will add at the beginning of apple? An. Here is one apple. That's why we are adding article. जहाँ पर एक single चीज़ होती है वहाँ हम a और an use करेंगे. Look at the next picture. Egg. Egg begins with letter E. E is a vowel letter. So we will add an at the beginning of egg. Before egg, we are going to add article an egg, an apple, an egg. Next picture is of an ink pot. Ink pot begins with I. I is a vowel letter, and we will write an before ink pot. An ink pot, an ink pot. Next picture is of ice cream. Ice cream begins with I. I is a vowel. So we are going to write an before ice cream. An ice cream. So students, now you will do colors in pictures. It was your today's task. After completing your work, you will say Alhamdulillah. Allah Hafiz students.